I was recently looking up some recipes, and one of the things that I noticed and I really like is the print functionality. When I go to print this, you'll see that it has only given me the recipe information. It's not including all of the other junk on the web page. And here's another website that has a very similar functionality where we can go to the recipe and we can print it, but this one is a little bit different because it loads up a new page and then we can print it. It doesn't include the buttons at the top, which is nice, but this seems like a bit more of a hassle. And then we get to the final example where with this recipe, we see that there's a lot of text. We finally get down to the recipe, and as we scroll down, there's really no way to print it. So I have to go up to my file, go to print, and when I go to print this, and it's including everything, including this video that popped up. And this is really annoying because it's cutting off some information and it's including everything on the web page. And so in this episode, that's what I want to look at, where we have a recipe, we see the name, the image, and then we see the ingredients for it, and that's enough to get a general idea. On this page, we do have a border, we have our menu and headers, and we have some buttons at the bottom. So we're going to create this print functionality where when we click print on there, it's only going to show us the recipe information that we actually want. It's not including all of the background, which by default, I'll remove it and refresh the page and print. You'll see that now it's showing our navigation headers, and it also has the buttons at the bottom. This is a very simple page, so there's not much else on there, but it would still be nice to get rid of all of the non-important information, and if we just had our recipe that we print out. And so that's what we're going to look at in this episode, and our approach will work with Tailwind or Bootstrap, and we're going to do it without any third-party library. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.